Just trying out the selfie stick. Looks like it's gonna work out okay. Quite happy with it so far. Okay, so I'm trying out the selfie stick. That's good. And so far so grand. Look at that. Get a different view of my van and how I'm like interacting with the space. So, and it's pretty dark outside right now. Not raining anymore, but certainly it's much warmer in here because I have my diesel heater. So it's really comfy, very comfortable. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this on YouTube, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. I actually don't know. But for now, I just wanted to share with you guys the fact that I finally have a selfie stick. And I did another video where I did mention it, but gee, but look, it actually makes a huge difference in terms of how things turn out. It's also a different angle as well. Anyway, I hope to post some more stuff later on. Bye-bye. This one.